international politics, United States has implemented a steep 50% tariffs on merchandise from India starting Wednesday, that is today. Now, exports of low margin and labor-intensive goods ranging from textiles, gems, jewelry to shrimps, carpets and furniture, they're all set to become unviable in the American market, essentially jeopardizing low-skilled jobs in India. In fact, with Donald Trump's new tariffs kicking in, trade experts estimate that the value of India's merchandise exports to the US could drop by as much as 40 to 45% in the year 2025 to 2026 compared to previous year. Now, let's get you more numbers to explain the impact of these tariffs. In fact, exports to the US could fall up to $49.6 billion this year, and this will be from $87 billion in the year 2024 to 2025. And this is as two-thirds of exports by value to the US will be hit by 50% tariffs. Meanwhile, our competitors are like Vietnam, Bangladesh, Cambodia, and even China and Pakistan, which currently face lower tariffs from the Donald Trump administration, are set to benefit from India's potential losses in various export-oriented sectors. In fact, the 50% tariff imposed on a majority of Indian goods exported to the US include the 25% tariff announced by Donald Trump earlier in late July, and then an additional 25% tariff announced early August as a penalty for New Delhi's purchases of Russian oil apart from its defense imports from Moscow. Now, viewers, India has a net goods trade surplus when it comes to the US. In fact, India runs a sharp trade deficit with other countries such as China, Russia and also UAE, its other top trading partners in the goods category.